Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now I thought we would do a little experiment with a beer kit I'm brewing up at the moment, which is a festival kit, and it's the Founding Fathers Pale Ale. So what I've done is I've split it into two separate buckets, and I thought we would play around with the yeast. So I'm going to use the yeast on one bucket that actually came in the pack, and on the other bucket I'm going to be using a White Labs London Fog Ale yeast, which is what all the craft breweries are doing at the moment. And now I thought what we would do is once we've fermented it out, we would bottle it up, leave it for a couple of weeks to condition, and see if there's any difference. So this one is the yeast that came in the packet, the lovely dry yeast, and we'll just simply pitch that on top. Like so. Cool. On the lid goes, and I'll stick that to the top with a little bit of sellotape so I don't mix them up. And then we've got this little beauty. So this yeast is slightly different. We've had to allow it to come up to room temperature, 20 degrees. And now we've got to give it a good shake. And here I've got a pair of scissors, and you'll see they're a little bit wet. That's because they need to be sterilized. And this yeast is actually grown in the packet, so we should be able to literally just pour it in like so. And that's it. So again, on the lid goes, and let's see what happens.